Hello, I'm Lisa from Gemini Styling and I'm going to talk to you today about my experience with Cliphair. I have been using Cliphair clip-in hair extensions for about 6 years. I am a bridal hair specialist, so obviously I use them for a lot of my brides, creating updos and down styles. What I find is a lot of my brides come to me with fine hair and they're nervous because they don't think I can do much with their hair. I introduce them to Cliphair clip-in hair extensions and show them what we can create with adding these into their hair. A majority of my brides are absolutely blown away because it seems like they haven't got much confidence because their hair is fine and they don't believe that they can create a statement hairstyle, and that is what they want. It's their wedding day, it's the one day they want to look their absolute best. And I just find this really gives them the sort of wow factor with their hair. And what I also like is that they're 100% human hair. They're natural. You wouldn't know they were in the hair. They just look absolutely beautiful. One of the things I really like about Cliphair, their customer service is fantastic for the colour matching. So I had a bride that come to me for her trial. And I didn't have the exact colour. So what Cliphair do is they ask me to take a photo of their hair in natural light. I would send it to Cliphair. They would then tell me what colour set I'd need for my client. I would also snip a little piece of hair from somewhere inconspicuous, sort of like in the nape area. So when the set would come through the post, I would double check that it was an exact match. That then gives me confidence because I know my bride is going to be really happy with her hair on the day. It's not going to be any difference. It's going to be an exact colour match. The bride is going to have that much more confidence because that's what they want. And that is, to me, is a fantastic service because so many people have slightly different hair colours, and it can be difficult to get the exact colour match. So yeah, that's fantastic. I have since then, I've actually bought so it's like a ring I bought from Cliphair. So basically has a lot of the hair colours that they stock. So if I have a bride coming for a trial, I can get this ring out and I can go through a lot of my colours and just see if I have an exact match. If for some reason I don't, I would then go back to Cliphair and say, can you help me? I haven't got the exact colour. What I think is also really good is they do a highlighting set. So obviously a lot of blondes or clients with like dark blondes, light browns who have highlights in their hair, the highlighting set is fantastic because it's just a perfect blend. Obviously, they're not got the exact same colour. They've got lots of different blondes and browns going through their hair. So it just makes a really good match and it is a really popular set. So what I generally buy is the DIY set. So it's a long piece of hair. So it literally just comes in a really long strip of hair. I generally fold it in half, stitch it so it makes it sort of double thickness, and then I cut them all down. The reason is when you're creating updos, you want small pieces. So if you can imagine, if the hair is all gone up at the back, you've got to kind of put one here, sort of round the sides there. So you're not going to really be able to put a really long piece in. So what I find is with the DIY set, this is one of the smallest ones I've made. So look, you can see like I would try to stitch across the top. It's literally the width of one clip. So that one would be perfect for kind of sitting at the side here. You find some people, especially clients with finer hair, the hair can be really fine at the side. So you just want a really small piece to go in the side there, and then you can use this hair here to kind of cover over it. So that's what I generally do with working with updos. Here is another one, just a slightly wider one, but there again you can see it's not that wide at all. So this is the sort of length pieces you need when creating an updo. If you're having like a down style or a half up, half down style, then it would be absolutely fine for you to buy the ready-made set because they can just go straight into your hair. because, you know, the hair is just going to be loose and hanging down. It's just when you're doing with something a little bit more intricate and you're creating either a high updo or sort of a low updo, sort of sitting around the nape, I just feel it's more important to put lots of smaller pieces in than two big sort of longer pieces. I just find that works really well. I also find that Cliphair are extremely good at posting the products out. Like I say, I've had sometimes some last minute brides that have come to me for a trial, maybe a week before the wedding, where either they've been let down by someone or something's happened and they've come to me, and it's like, I need them extensions really quick because obviously the wedding's coming, I've only got a few days, but I find I place the order, I've generally received it the next day or within 2 days at the most. So the customer service is fantastic. They provide a great colour matching service, which is obviously really important. Speedy delivery, and there's always someone on the other end of the phone that will help you. Like I say, I've been with Cliphair for about 6 years and been really happy with the service. I'm now going to share with you some of the bridal hairstyles that I've actually created through using the Cliphair extensions. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video about my personal experience with Cliphair extensions and enjoyed looking at my hair creations. So thank you for watching.